Oh, we got wow. Oh, she the finest rich nigga. I ain't shit when I'm dressed like the throwing saint. I can't go out like Jerome the Saint. I'm embracing this is double up and 50 pointers pain. I was the only white motherfucker, the only black motherfucker on my flight. YouTube, man, y'all know what's going on, man. We back with another video. It's gonna be a separate vlog from the ones I usually be doing. So this one right here gonna be more on some. I'm finna show y'all a raw ass. You know what I'm saying? What y'all think this is? SRT8, or do you think this is a? I ain't gonna even say nothing, man. I'm gonna let y'all see what this is. You know what I'm saying? But look, so I can't even hold it no more. All right, look, this bitch is a cat. You feel me? But this ain't your average, regular, degular, schmegular, you know, pull up and, no, it's a 427. You know what I'm saying? Got the 300C badges. It's chopping. I know you hear it chopping, man. You know, I know you hear that motherfucker chopping. Let me show y'all what he did. What this is? What year body this is? Oh, 06 body, boy. Bro, this is the first Cat 300 that I've seen with an 06 body. If I'm wrong, correct me. Tell me where y'all seen one, but I've never seen a cat with a fucking 06 body. And he got the Whipple on now. I'm finna get the trunk popped in a minute, man. It's a 06. It's a 06 cat, bro. And he's 700 to the crank. Yeah. That bitch wow. My boy, man, I'm gonna tag him so y'all go, you know, show him some love and shit on the Instagram. But for shit show, I'm gonna give y'all some little clips of this bitch, because I just feel like the video ain't gonna do y'all justice to what I'm seeing right now. So I'm gonna give y'all all that little cinematic. I'm gonna get some details on, you know, what's going on. I'm gonna also make sure I show y'all who built it. He's got it built out here. This car, it's in NC. We in Charlotte. So this car is in Charlotte, North Carolina. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know, original SRT8 seats. Everything still works. Everything still works. You feel me? Everything still works. Not to mention, look at the wheels, man. Come on, man. The 06 wheels. Those are 300 rims. Let's hear this. What y'all hear? Y'all hear it chopping? I think I hear it chopping. I don't know if y'all hear it chopping, but I hear it chopping. Look at these lights, man. Look at this shit, man. It's crazy. You'll pop the hood for me? We killing time. We waiting on Braden right now, you know. So, I ain't gonna lie. That body is crazy. I think a lot of people gonna feel that way. So I told y'all Whipple Supercharged. See, I know y'all thought it was an SRT8. Y'all didn't listen to me when I told y'all it wasn't an SRT8. But see, y'all see when they say Whipple Supercharged, bro. And it's chopping. Look, it's chopping. Come on, man. This bitch crazy. Crazy. And the man paid for this bitch. He ain't, you know, this ain't no note. This ain't none of that shit. It's a flex. It's a real build, though. So y'all be talking about cats and shit. This a built cat, bro. You feel me? So now what? It still don't qualify as a build, or I know you Mustang motherfuckers and Camaro motherfuckers, Vet motherfuckers, GTR motherfuckers, y'all all feel a certain type of way about the cat. And I'm trying to find out why y'all feel how y'all feel about the cat, bro. You know what I'm saying? We're going to show y'all what this do at the meet, man. I'm going to show y'all. If y'all don't think this hard, I'm going to show y'all how many people finna flock to this bitch. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to show y'all how many people finna flock to this bitch once we pull up where we supposed to be at. Bro. But this bitch hard, man. Like, comment, sub. I got like 5 videos I'm going to drop for y'all, man. We're going to see DJ Cheeto tomorrow. We got an event tonight, so y'all make sure y'all tune in. Tap in with the DJ Cheeto event. Y'all make sure y'all go run them views up, man. Give me some likes. You know what I'm saying? We trying to get a subscribe. We on the road to 5K, so I need y'all to go ahead and do what y'all got to do. Hit that like button, smash that bell, and let's go. What's up? Oh, that gray one? He gonna think this a regular SR. And you blowing snow, see? That's how you know your shit running right. Oh, I hit a one. Hey, you still got one? It's not as loud because you ain't got the intake, but it's still a one on that bitch though.
Oh, there they go.
Where you see him, man?
They just went past us.
Oh shit! It's a whole vlog right here, bro. All I need is 30. All I need is 15 to 20 minutes of this right here, and it's a vlog. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's gonna be one video already done. Boom, I can post this without editing. You feel me? I'm gonna throw your Instagram in here and shit too. Motherfuckers gonna follow you for sure. This bitch tough. I ain't gonna lie to you. This bitch crazy. How long it took you to how long it took for them to make it, like to build it and shit? From the time like y'all got all the parts to you was able to actually drive that bitch. 3 months? 3 months ain't bad. That ain't bad at all. And they put time into this bitch. They had to make. I'm pretty sure because I hear that a lot of the components and shit don't add up, so they got to kind of get new harnesses and they got to swap shit for other shit.
Pain in the ass, though.
What was the hardest part for you to get for the
fitment? Really, with the older body style. I know like newer ones, it's like all plug and play with certain shit.
My bad.
You good, but it's like I don't know. The older ones, you got the wire and everything. That's why you see that one wire like that.
That's crazy. Because they say, like, the harness... so, one of the guys I was talking to, he was telling me, like, it's always something that ain't perfect. Like, it's always... It's not... He's like, none of them could be mint condition yet. No. He said, we still trying to find a mint one. But he said that it's kind of hard, with, like you said, with the fitment, like, placing shit. He said some shit won't fit. You got to change the harnesses. And you know what I'm saying? So... And then he said finding parts, too. That's what he was telling me. He said finding the parts... was kind of
for me wasn't that hard.
Where you find your engine from? Like how you
came with it.
Oh yeah?
Just built it.
Oh, that's live. That's live. That's live. Oh yeah, that's live. Oh, so this was an SRT8?
But it switched everything out.
So it's a 6.2 though, right?
Nah, 6.1.
6.1. My bad. 6.1.
Yeah, 6.1 block.
Yeah.
But everything's swapped, and then I got the different injectors and everything.
I feel like this whole. That's why it feels so different. I feel like this whole more, it's more, how you say, it's more catch, you feel me? Like, yeah, it's way more.
I got spacers and my shocks in the back. I still gotta do some other shit. I gotta change this pedal out. Like, it's little shit.
Little shit.
But how this bitch is.
That shit crazy. This bitch running, though. This motherfucker definitely runs, boy.
And I ain't even put E85 in yet.
No, you got so what you got? You got the triple pump system, or you got the? This is a regular E85 tune on them.
Yeah.
No, my people they got the E85 tune, but they got the triple pump. So you know what I'm saying. I don't know how that shit work, but so what I was telling you, my homies Internet City, they built the Durango at 6.4. They whippled it. It's pretty much like a stroker. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty much a elephant at this point. Got line lock, all that shit, bro. They can slide.
That's what I wanted, really. I mean, not like that to build. I wanted something different.
Facts.
I know everybody do just like the regular Hellcat swap and shit like that. And then most like scats can't handle boost or whatever.
Hell no, you got to do too much. You're gonna come out paying for a new engine, trying to forge the internals, and
you basically buying a new car.
Yeah, you might as well just go ahead and I feel like you could go 6.2 SRT8 Challenger. And like this bot, like the 6.1, you know, I feel like the 5.7 is a better build to build on too. I
heard 5.7's whole.
Bro, look, bro. I met a guy last year at this Texas vs. Everybody, bro. He was pushing 747 to the crank on a fucking RT. It had a lot of shit though. It was like that motherfucker looked crazy. Like the engine just looked wild, bro. But he said these are easier to He said it was easier to put boost on them and shit without it. You know what I'm saying? I just like, damn, that shit crazy, but
that's what I learned, like, before I really got into this shit, I really started, like, working on shit myself.
That shit crazy.
When I got to a certain point where I could, like, just pay motherfuckers to do it.
Right.
I was like, I might as well.
Right.
I know certain shit. And then I was like, fuck it. Let them do it. Get them. Make sure everything's straight.
This motherfucker is smooth, boy. Let's snap. He snapped. So in total, how much was the bill? Like in total, 41. Was it extra for the shell and all that shit? Or
surprisingly, shell was only 11.
Damn. See, you just encouraged. I just told them when I'm like, man, I need to go ahead. Oh, you said I need to go ahead and build me. I want to sell my scat and just build my cat, build my 300, bro. It makes more sense. You feel me?
Like it was surprising, but I had my old boy to go get it. It was like 2 hours away. The only thing I had to do was change the rotors on this motherfucker.
Damn. So it was still drivable when you bought it?
Mm-hmm.
That's wild. Oh, you bought it from an older cat or? Yeah, that's what it be.
Yep.
And they be having them like gems, bro. They'll just be sitting. Yeah, they'll just be sitting under a tarp or some weird shit like that. Let's jump out and see what they talking about.
If we got time, if we go that way, I'd take you where like my other shit at.
Shit, it's green. We got time. We got time. We got the Benz too, so we active too. Shit. That motherfucker's wow. I didn't know he built. So this is, you know, that's a 6'1". Yeah. So he just gave me the real sauce on that bitch. So that's crazy.
Well, yeah, you didn't know it was built?
No. When I looked at it, I really honestly thought it was a cat engine up under there because of the color of it. It was the orange and the fucking silver. But then when I actually paying attention, I'm like, hold on, wait. So this ain't a cat. He like, hell no, it's a 6'1". Yeah, I see. That's why it feels so different though. It's a smaller block too. Cause I'm feeling that bitch like that motherfucker yanking me, bro. I got a cat, so that motherfucker nigga, that bitch yanking, bro. Yeah, he did.
Was it him driving or was it his girlfriend?
It was him. He did like this. My boy Sosa out here with that shit, boy. What? Man, y'all come to the city, man. Y'all tap in with this. The man right here. You know, if you on your little tour shit and you want to come to a city where it's lit, I'm gonna tell you, come to Ashevillle. I ain't gonna lie to you. So I know that little racing page that you fuck with, they the vets and shit. They had wound up posting and shit the other day. You know, we talked and shit. We all finna link up. It's gonna be some motherfuckers out tonight though. I want to see what's outside, bro. I'm anxious, nigga. I'm happy as hell. See, like I be nervous. Like some cities. Come on. Some cities we go to, nigga, I be.
Give me 1 second, bro. I'm gonna grab the sticker off this car and I'm gonna watch mine too. Alright, bro.
So I just got a whole vlog. With the. I ain't gonna even say nothing, man. Y'all just watch this bitch. Look, this bitch is crazy. You got red key? You got to get one made?
Old one though.
Oh yeah, that's tough though.
Hey, he said, hold on. He said, yeah, it's red key. It's the old window.
Oh, bro. He said no. Oh, you don't need one. Exactly. You ain't got to unlock all that stupid ass shit.
It's all there.
You snap.
Yeah, bitch.
Yeah, that shit is all there.
Shut up. Ride the Malibu.
Oh, bro, he snapped. Hey, look, the vlog ain't done on this bitch. I got footage, so I got, you know what I'm saying? I got the driving footage too from on the GoPro, so I'm gonna merge that with this. Get y'all the POV drive. But look, we outside, we got the V8. Yeah, I ain't gonna even say no, you know what I'm saying? We got my nigga Braden outside, you know. You know what I'm saying? Y'all need rentals, y'all know where to come. I told y'all 17 times already. Y'all make sure y'all get y'all ass over here. Hey, give me a drop real quick. What's the name, the number?
Oh, Destination Rental Cars. As it says, you can Google us. Yeah, Destination
Facts.
Rental Cars.
Bro, what's your Instagram?
Braden Fiore.
Bet.
Yeah.
Bet, I'ma tag it. Y'all know what time it is. That motherfucker hard, boy. That bitch is him. Boy. That boy got the 06 body on, bro. This nigga.
Hey, yo, mama, don't worry about my
This
glasses.
nigga.
Hey, don't worry about my glasses.
No, you good. I want
gotta
you to see,
see.
nigga. Oh, I gotta see. Oh, bro. All right, so it's only me and you and this bitch. You know what time it is, gang. We can pop our shit. You know, fuck these people on you. No, I'm just playing. I love y'all, bro.
Hey, man. And my glasses is crooked, y'all.
We finna get this bitch watch right now?
Yeah, right now.
Fuck that vacuum shit. I ain't gonna
I
lie
ain't
to you.
vacuuming nothing.
Yeah.
Ain't nobody getting in here. Ain't nobody getting in here.
He said, ain't nobody getting in here on, bro.
Hey, got them things
Hey, that bitch snatching on my mama.
things out.
That bitch snatching. I'm editing this one off the phone for y'all, so y'all don't get mad at me, but I ain't gonna lie, I can't even. I gotta drop this while I'm out here. This bitch getting dropped tonight. This one right here, that POV, that HELLCAT 101, you snapped. You snapped. You snapped. Look at that. What? Look at that. I want to do that to my cat. That body, the back bumper and shit. I want to change my. Oh, we got wow. Oh. And we in the Benz, we can keep up, bitch.
All-wheel drive.
Right, we keeping up. Bro, yeah. Y'all know it's, yeah. Yeah. My nigga Sosa. I'm out here with Sosa, man. If y'all don't know who the fuck Sosa is, y'all know who Sosa is. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
What you want? Let's do something.
You know damn well I can't.
From a dig?
I'm a spin.
From a dig?
Oh my God. Oh shit. Golly.
I gotta change my pedal out.
Bro, this bitch feel wild as hell. What the fuck? That is wow.
Everybody doing a new model.
Yeah, no, you snapped. No bullshit. You still got the SRT 8 seats, bro. Motherfuckers don't even realize that shit. That bitch, nigga, what? A nigga would think this is a SRT 8, bro.
We ain't even got to the best part yet. We about to start fucking this bitch
Oh
up.
my God, he popping like that. Oh, bro. What y'all know about that 6'1", nigga? That's a 6'1", bitch.
You about to try to get on my cheeks.
Oh, bro. Bro.
Huh? Hey, I got wheel. I got wheel. I got.
Hey, I said Brady was like, what the fuck? No.
Hey, listen, cause I was.
Mr. Steve told you don't have collision. It was like, bro, you would have totaled the car, bro.
Damn.
Shit.
It was chill. Also, I was from the back, so I can't see everything you can see. Like, you know exactly where the car is at.
Nah, facts.
No,
It
bro,
made
that's
it look a lot worse from where I
for
was.
real.
That shit was close. I know we about to bust down.
Hey, that bitch. I said, oh shit. You went through that bitch though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hey, I respect the man's will, bro.
My POV.
I respect the man's will.
Listen. I know at all times that.
But also, no, it's not him. Sometimes it's the other people.
Facts.
I already seen dude got over 4.
Before those trim. We outside trim, bro.
That's what he did, bro. And that's the only reason I had to get